concern.
Alright, this song is called Those Three Friends, and if you ever want to see the making of, check out Steven's camera, because we recorded it all. Yeah.
The making of.
Here we go, 1, 2, 3, go.
Jag kunde åter snart.
Ready? Okay. Let's talk about the night those three friends got together. They sat around and talked and studied for their test. They must finish their quest so they can be the best. They work so hard to get pretty far so they can start their life road. They sat around and ate their chips with dip. No dip, they didn't have a chip because they were so poor. They sat around, they spent their money so they could be so funny for people in the rest of their lives. This is the night that Steven and the Jew and the Newfie got together to walk in that far weather. And the funny black cat. That Steven boy leaned against the clouds of gray. That Newfie girl leaned on the wall with all the days. And the girl with a guitar in her hand to sing their troubles away. 6 feet and their heads up in the air. They don't care if they are immature. They just wanna live, I'm sure. Am I right? I'm sure, yeah.